Heyo! Welcome in or welcome back. Here we are with the second to last episode, episode 11 of Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. I don't know what we're going to be getting into today for adventures, but I am so ready and here for it. So, let's go ahead and hop on in. Oh, baby Suey. Baby Suey. Oh yeah, in the house that he made from his abilities all the gluttonous goddesses gave. Oh, he's able to take it away? Why don't you want to? He just doesn't want to bring attention to himself. Oh yeah. He's like, I don't do side quests. As long as you mention you'll make some food, he's willing to go wherever. Oh my. He was working all night. Oh, yeah. You're definitely bringing attention to yourself. Oof. I think Makuto's very strong. Episode 11, doing business for the missus. Oh, something new. A meat mincer? Meat grinder. Ah, sorry, I've never used one of those before. I've seen them on cooking shows on Food Network. Also, people make pasta kind of like this as well, right? You know what? It's good that you have Sui do it. I mean, Sui and Fenrir are gonna eat so much of it. Oh, don't touch your eyes. It's best that they put in the work too. I'm sure you need way more milk than that. Also, the fact that you're able to find bowls for as much as Fenrir wants to eat, holy. I'll make like 7 of you, Sui. That'll get it done. Oh, Sui is so cute putting in all that work. Oh? Mmm. Man, wait until Sui learns some fire. Nah, Sui as a slime probably has no affinity for fire magic. But a little and those are done. Cooking becomes so much easier and faster. Those are huge. I would be afraid those are not cooked all the way. Oh, right. Fenrir. Oh, it looks cooked to perfection. He grippity. Gripping that bowl for dear life. Oh. Oh, there's cheese in it? Oh, wow. How did you get it so perfectly in there to just ooze out? Oh, wow. Look at the body on you, Makuta. Hmm. Yeah, you need to. You trying to wash up shampoo? Wait, how long? You've been here for so long, and so you've just been using regular soap on your hair? How often? So what do you do? I guess you just soak in water? Wow, pristine condition. It's undamaged. Holy, all nice and folded up, huh? I mean, he doesn't really do too much with either of the guilds. Oh, this is what you're doing. I thought you wanted it for yourself. Should soap not smell good? This is actually crazy. Oh, he's a salesman now. I was not expecting this from Makura. Are those tears or is that sweat? Here we go. Here's some presents. Maybe she just wants to spend time with you? Ah, hmm. It can be. There's give and take. Oh, wow. That's huge. It's like jacuzzi size or something. Oh, okay, okay. That makes sense. Okay, so you need purifying magic for the water. A few hundred gold coins is crazy. Ah, I mean, he has thousands of gold coins. You need to make yourself a house. He's gonna buy them from cheap and sell them high. But from a trusted accomplice. Oh, my bad. From a trusted friend. Oh, what's wrong? Your body feeling good? Oh, you had her try it. She loves you now. She couldn't even hold herself back. Hmm? Hajimemashite. They got her feeling good. More brilliant than yours, huh? It just worked too well. Oh, yeah? Oh my. Oh, hello, Marie. How did it look before? Good words, good words. Anniversary's gone amazing. What? You don't want them for yourself? Oh, I was thinking he would like sell them himself. Oh, you know what? Yeah. The greatest marketing. She's a businesswoman. Hey, all yours. All yours. Hope you have an amazing anniversary. Is she waiting for you to die off? Why? She looks so much younger. But you didn't make any of that, Makuta. What? Uh, he wanted to find a dungeon. Oh, I love wyverns. Wyvern riders and Fire Emblem. Very cool. They can sit on top of buildings and ruins and such. Oh. Oh. You need to buy a home. Oh, yeah. He only said like a few hundred for a bathtub. So maybe 1,000. Oh. Ooh. Get ready to get another 5,800. Another 5,800 gold coins. Because you're about to destroy them. She's looking all messed up. Ooh. Yikers. Poison? Do you have antidotes for that? Oh my gosh. Oh, he got his arm bitten off. Oh my. No. Oh yeah. No way. Oh my gosh. Suey. Oh my gosh. Oh, Suey. Wow. He just saved so many lives right there. Mm. Mm. Oh. So the Fenrir speaks. And what do you want? A big feast in return? That's it? Are you not asking for anything? I don't think they want them. Mm. Oh, baby Suey. Ah, this is so crazy cool. And also his pockets are getting even heavier. Oh, they gone with it. Hold on, spider monkey. I'm sorry, I don't remember wyverns looking like pterodactyls. I thought they looked a little more put together. Sui is a hunter, whether you believe it or not. Wait, you are a grounded beast, right? I mean, you were fighting. Ooh, they are way bigger than I thought. Chop them wings off. Mmm. And that means they take fall damage. Is that like a pistol? Oh, that's alright. You got the wing. Imagine Sui just right off the bat got that. Oh my gosh. We're going headhunting. An amazing listener and student, Sui. Ah. Honestly, just stay back. Oh my gosh. They are taking 0 prisoners. Look at the happiness. You can't let them get in on all the fun by yourself, right? This is like going straight for the Pokemon trainer or something. Hey, it's time to pull out some of them blessings you got. Go for it. Pull out your fire affinity. Oh my gosh. Sui, you protected him. Good job. And they called that an exercise. Insane. And right here in the middle of the battlefield. All right. Mm. He mixes it so expertly, so masterfully. When does he ever wash his hands? Now that I'm thinking about it. Like, he was just, like, booty up in the air, on the ground, hands dug into the dirt. Like, do you ever buy wipes for yourself? Does he buy toilet paper for when he goes to the... too many questions. Unnecessary. Unnecessary for me, but if I was there with him, I'd be asking a lot of questions. And now you're gonna have some wyvern meat. Yeah, you want some wyvern meat in your mouth? uh, Ignore me. That was a wild sentence. I know they're anxious, like, should we have let them just go out by themselves? Oh, don't worry, it was easy peasy. Wait, I'm missing part of it. Oh my gosh, other adventures. Oh, they don't even know. Oh yeah, that's the reason. Y'all just don't know. I totally forgot about these guys. They actually do want to go back to their land, though. Hmm. Finally, they have Makuta. Alrighty. I don't really feel like there's too much to say. It was a good episode, of course, as usual. The guild gave him even more money. I'm not sure. I thought they were like ran dry by all of the other things that, got him money from them and the things he sold. But apparently they found money somewhere. Well, the city lord gave it to them, which means it didn't come out of his pocket. It didn't come out of the actual guild's pockets, I suppose. But then they're also going to be paying him for taking out the wyverns, which is waiting for him to come back and tell them about. So they're just sitting there anxiously. But like Sui saved so many lives. The party in general of Makuta, Fenrir, and Sui, they saved so many lives. Maybe even like basically the entire city, the entire town's lives, which is insane. Like they're such an amazing team, and that's an understatement, of course. This episode is going to be getting a 9 out of 10. It's just everything is so easy for them. When I really see a challenge or something, maybe that's when I'll give it a straight up 10, but I'm just like, like food is not even like the main focus. It just helps him on the journey. He cooks amazing things. I don't know. It's something missing. But it was exciting, so I'll give it a 9.4 out of 10 wyverns. That is my rating. Please let me know your rating. Please let me know what you think will be happening in the final episode of season 1 of Campfire Cooking. And I mean, anything else you want to tell me in the comments is totally up to you. I would love to hear it. I'm a great listener, and I'll be there for you. Anyway, please like, share, and of course subscribe because it makes me happy, gets my spirits up, and it keeps me going. I will be seeing you in whatever you choose to watch for me next. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.